Good evening, everyone, and welcome to The Big Break. This is your YouTube channel, Z-Man112. Tonight we are doing a two-box break of the 2011 Topps Inception football. As you can see, the break tonight is co-sponsored by our friends at Blowout Cards. Visit www.blowoutcards.com for all your trading card needs. I'm telling you guys, you won't find a better site, more selection, better prices, everything. So tonight, 2011 Topps Inception football, two-box break. Thanks again to Blowout Cards. Let's start with box number one. Here we go. I personally think these are the best cards of the year so far for football. We got the checklist. Empty box. Pack number one. Remember, 7 cards only. Looking for the autos. First card is, you see that? Santonio Holmes. Next base, Jordan Shipley. Miles Austin. 124 out of 209. Matt Hasselbeck, 89 out of 106. First auto is number 379 out of 599, Deloney Carter. Pretty looking card, looks good. Alright. Our next auto is number 127 out of 900. That would be Alex Green of the Green Bay Packers. And our jumbo patch is numbered 21 out of 75, and that is John Baldwin. Alright, that's number one. Straight into number two. Empty box. Alright, let's get a one of something. Alright, first base is Matthew Stafford. Base number 2 is LaShawn McCoy. 42 out of 209, Matt Castle. 25 out of 25, Mike Williams, the red parallel. Our first auto is 248 out of 500, John Baldwin, Kansas City Chief. Uh-oh, we got another auto. 56 out of 150, Jordan Todman. Ooh, nice patch. Number 1 of 10, Colin Kaepernick. Looking good on that patch. Number 1 out of 10. Alright, that does it. Thanks a lot for watching The Big Break on your YouTube channel. Thanks again to Blowout Cards. Visit www.blowoutcards.com and thank them again for co-sponsoring this break. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.